There you go. Whoa. Hi there. Name's Nature. Nice to meet you, Nature. I'm Claire. Nice to meet you too, Claire. Damn. John should all meet new characters. I mean, we can form an alliance with everyone. Why does she look like me? Why does he look sort of like me? I can still read your thoughts. Really? Yep. Oh. Okay. Well, technically, I am a nature. I'm full of it. I can tell with the grass and the flowers growing from your feet. Oh yeah, I haven't noticed that before. Thanks. Also, what's with this scarf? You look very cool in it. Why, thank you. It's also called my extra hands if my other hands are full. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Why are you mostly in the color of nature except your bow tie? Us Johns always had a red bow tie. It's like a it's like a rule for us. Okay. I like the leaves on your head. I have a sprout. Yeah, I can tell. Yet you have too. Also, thank you for noticing. I barely get any attention for those. Okay. Um, what now? I really don't know. Yeah, me neither. Okay. Nature Jim meets Claire. The epic crossover. See ya, guys.